Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and welcome back to my channel. I'll get straight to the point in today's video because this video is very important. GitHub is moving from PRU based pricing model, that is premium request unit pricing model, to the token based pricing model. In next 2 minutes I'll show you live what exactly does this mean, but let me tell you upfront, this is a revolutionary decision from GitHub. Trust me, from 1st of June when this decision will be implemented, the way we all use AI will change significantly because token based pricing model is not as easy as we think. In today's video, I'll cover the pros and cons, but because this is a very important video, please spread awareness, especially if you're using GitHub Copilot in your organization as part of the enterprise plan. Make sure you share this video across. Once again, this is a very important video. Please make sure you watch it till the end. Okay, I'll explain the pricing model change in very simple words. I'll take an example for this. So I'm on the Argo CD GitHub repository. Let's say I'm working as a developer, DevOps engineer, doesn't matter. How GitHub Copilot charge you today? If you go to this section, you can see I'm using Copilot Pro subscription. And this is a very important thing, premium requests. So you are charged based on the premium requests. Right now, this is 0.2%. The moment it hit 100%, technically your subscription has come to an end. Of course, you can go here, you can choose low performance models like Raptor Mini, but technically nobody is going to use it. We all want high performance models, right? So this is kind of good because premium requests, the time you reach 100%, you have to be an extensive user. If you see here, my usage is only 0.2%. Let's give one critical task to it and let's see how will this premium request go high. Now, let me give one task here. Design the architecture diagram for Argo CD controller. Now, this is a complex task because it has to go through all the files. It has to establish relation and then it has to prepare the controller architecture diagram. Interestingly, what GitHub does here, when you go with auto mode, it keeps switching between the models. For example, if there is any critical reasoning task, it might go with Opus 4.6, 4.7, or when there is a low priority task, it might go with Claude Sonnet 4.6. You cannot see that internal switching. But end of the day, if you go to the premium requests, you will see this number going high. So that is how we all calculate today. Now, especially if I'm going with Pro Plus subscription, this is always in my mind. Every day I keep checking, okay, is it hitting anywhere close to 100%? If it is hitting close to 100%, I'll immediately switch to the low performance models. Okay, this task is complete. Now let's see. This is almost done. The premium request is still at 0.2%. So I'm least impacted by this task. Now this is going to change. Okay, how is this going to change? Now 1st of June, GitHub is moving to token based model. So basically, this field is completely irrelevant. I think they'll even remove that for you. And they are going to replace it with the token usage. So what GitHub is saying, from 1st of June, if you're going with Copilot Pro, basically you're paying $10 per month. You will be given $10 AI credits. Now imagine how quickly you're going to exhaust $10 AI credits. If you're using for API related activities, or if you're a Copilot heavy user, trust me, you'll exhaust that in 2 to 3 hours. Same is with Copilot Pro also. It is saying if you pay $39 in credit, you will be provided with $39. And there is some confusion even after this blog. How are they going to play with the model switching? Are they still going to continue with this auto option? This is not clear. But imagine if they remove this. Now you have to select the model. Someone who is new to Copilot, if they select Claude Opus 4.7, and let's say if they use it for one day, their Copilot Pro will be exhausted. or maybe if they use it for 2 to 3 days, their Copilot Pro will be exhausted because everything is costing on the basis of token. You just come here, type hi, then see the number of tokens. I just type hi. Okay, this is my input is very small, but I also have an output. If I just ask what is Kubernetes, what is the architecture of Kubernetes, it might give me a lot of explanation. The response from AI can be chatty. If the response from AI is chatty, your output tokens are more. Your input tokens can be small, but your output tokens are more. So this change is going to be very, very significant. And they are applying this change to enterprise as well. That means within your enterprise, you will be provided with a pool of credits. See, Copilot Enterprise, $70 in monthly AI credits. So you are provided a pool of credits. Maybe there is someone in your organization. What if they are not good with using the models? What if they use the models even for activities that is not required? No, they can just go to Cloud Opus 4.7 and they can keep using this thing for every possible activity. Then your tokens are exhausted in no time. So this is a very, very significant change. And now a lot of things are going to change here because one, everybody will need to understand what are reasoning models, which model to be selected for a particular activity, and they have to be extra careful with prompt engineering. They have to be extra careful with input. They have to be careful with output that they receive. Right? Best example is ChatGPT. You ask it anything, it is going to give you reply in 2 to 3 pages. Now that has to change. You have to write a prompt in a way ChatGPT only responds to you back in one single page. Abhishek, why are you talking about ChatGPT? These enterprises, trust me, they all work in synergy. If GitHub is taking this decision today, soon you will see the decision made by Anthropic. Soon you will see the decision made by OpenAI. Everybody is going to move to the best possible models for them. Okay, whatever works the best for them, they are going to move to those models. Right? So what I'm trying to say here, this is a very big change. I'll share this link in the description. Please go through every line in this blog and if possible, share it with GitHub Copilot users and share it within your organization. And this is effective from 1st of June. I hope you found today's video insightful. So focus more on prompt engineering. If you're using AI, focus more on understanding models, when to go for Cloud Opus 4.7, when to go for low performance models. You have to understand it, especially if you're using Copilot. Once I have more information, right now there is only one blog that is released. What GitHub says from May, that is starting this month, they are going to release some dashboards. They are going to provide more clarity on the usage metrics, on telemetry information. Let's all wait for that. So once I have more information, I'm going to share it with you. But link is in the description. Please go through the blog. See you all in the next video. Take care.